Guys, punta tayo sa Cave and Basin with the gang.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
A few moments later.
Guys, nandito tayo sa Cave and Basin. Guys, to get free access, you need to have a discovery pass. Pero kung wala naman, meron namang pwede naman kayong magbayad ng $9 per adult, and kid is free from 17 years old below. Yan, paakit na kami yan sa roof deck para mabuta namin yung cave. I'm sure mag-enjoy yung mga bata dito. At pati yung mga matatanda mag-enjoy din. So, eto, marami din silang mga historical figures and artifacts. Makita kayo dyan. Yan. By the way, malapit lang pala to sa downtown Banff. So, madali lang siya ma-access.
Okay, first part ng adventure na to.
Into the cave. So, ito na yung actual na cave. Napakaganda niya, guys.
Wow!
Halina kayo, puntahan nyo na rin ito. Yan, dito na tayo sa cave, guys. Puntahan natin din yung tok-tok. Bago ako pumunta dun sa basin, may magdadaanan ka mga historical figures ng una. Dito yan, guys. Yan, meron din pa ng photo booth dyan. Libre lang yan, guys. Sayang yan, remembrance yan. Kaya gawin nyo na bago kayo umalis. So, ito na pala yung basin. Parang ito yung lugaan nila dati. So, yan. Medyo malinaw pa lang siya. So, ang ganda pa rin ng view.
Gas that's coming up, and that's just because there's approximately 300 to 900 liters of water being released from the ground every minute. And so with
Every minute?
Yeah.
Every minute.
So there's a ton of water coming up, and it flows down to the marsh below, and with that is the release of gas.
Amazing.
Cool. Thank you.
Guys, ano masabi niyo? Ayos.
Okay siya na adventure for family, hindi siya extreme. Hindi pong sightseeing yan.
And guys, bago kami umalis, tingnan muna namin, enjoy naman namin yung view. Sobrang ganda niya, nakaka-relax. Siyempre, pa-picture muna si ate.